Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the microchip model and frequency, so you use the right reader and protocol. Put on an anti-static strap and power the system. This prevents damage and ensures stable connections. Once done, install or confirm drivers on your PC and connect the programmer with correct cables. You do this first because proper matching and stable power avoid read/write errors later. Now you can move immediately to addressing memory layout and access permissions. You authenticate using the correct keys or secure channel to unlock writable sectors. This prevents accidental corruption. Then open the official programming tool, set baud rate and protocol, and confirm the handshake so communication is stable. Write data in block-sized chunks, validating each with a checksum. This ensures integrity and allows rollback if a block fails. Make sure to set access control bits after writing so unauthorized reads or overwrites are blocked. These steps maintain security and data consistency. You finish by performing a full verify and readback of every sector to confirm the data matches checksums. This is your final integrity gate. Once confirmed, lock or set access permissions and document the UID, firmware version, and write timestamps for auditability. If something goes wrong, first retry the failing sectors, then check power stability, drivers, cable connections, and authentication keys. These are the most common issues. If problems persist, capture logs and isolate the chip with a known good programmer to diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.